Have you ever bought clothes just for the sake of buying? Maybe we think what we have is out of style, or maybe we see something so cheap we can't resist. Even when deep down, we know it's poorly made and will probably fall apart after the first wash. This is becoming more and more common, and there's a name for it: fast fashion. This phenomenon has changed how we buy and consume clothes. Aggressive advertising convinces us we always need to keep up with the latest trends. The cycle of disposable consumption. Fast fashion brands spend millions to persuade us that old is bad and that happiness is found in shopping. To make this message even more appealing, they offer incredibly low prices and constant discounts. The result? We think it's easier to throw away a garment with a missing button or a small tear than to repair it. This leads to unsustainable habits. For example, I know someone who buys new sneakers every time theirs get dirty, just because they're too lazy to clean them. But behind this apparent convenience, someone else pays a very high price. The hidden cost of fast fashion. That low price we see on the tags has a real cost, and it usually falls on workers in poor countries. These people work in inhumane conditions, for long hours and with miserable wages that barely allow them to survive. Furthermore, this cycle of producing, consuming, and discarding at such an accelerated pace is causing devastating environmental damage. Clothing manufacturing not only requires enormous amounts of resources, but it also generates pollution at alarming levels. Did you know that in Australia, 6,000 kilograms of clothing are thrown away every 10 minutes? Or that to produce a single cotton t-shirt, it takes more than 2,700 liters of water, the same amount a person could drink in 3 years. Even more shocking, 20% of global water pollution comes from the chemicals used in textile manufacturing. If we don't do something, the damage could be irreversible. A necessary change. Although the situation is serious, not all is lost. As consumers, we have the power to change course by making more conscious decisions and breaking this cycle of excessive consumption. One practical solution is to adopt a minimalist lifestyle. This doesn't mean depriving ourselves, but rather focusing on the essentials, living with fewer things, less debt, and as a result, less stress. If we apply this principle to our wardrobe, we'll realize that we already have enough clothes and that it's not necessary to be constantly buying. Taking care of what we have. Minimalism teaches us to appreciate what we already own and to take care of our clothes. We must learn that happiness is not found in a shopping mall. Our purchasing decisions don't just affect us, they also affect other people and the planet. When we understand this, we can break free from the vicious cycle of fast fashion and contribute to positive change. Good news. Fortunately, some brands are starting to take action. For example, a large store I visited recently launched a clothing line called Conscious, made with 95% recycled cotton. The initiative includes a program where you can bring in clothes you no longer use, and in return, they offer you a 15% discount on your next purchase. These garments are recycled to create new clothes, helping to reduce environmental impact. Final reflection. Change begins with us. By making more conscious decisions, we not only improve our quality of life, but we also contribute to a more sustainable future for everyone. If you're interested in living a more minimalist lifestyle, don't hesitate to start now. Lastly, if you liked this content, don't forget to share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel. Together we can build a more conscious community committed to change. As I always say, nothing in our environment will change until we change ourselves first. See you in the next video. Thanks for being here.